Before we get started with this video is not sponsored, okay? It's not. So back when I first started my YouTube channel and COVID hit, I was doing all the research because I wanted to make sure that I fell within the guidelines of YouTube and the guideline community within YouTube. So, you know, I was doing a whole lot of research, and that was the first thing that I seen is make sure you use copyright-free music. So I would go through YouTube or the YouTube library and music and all of that and download music or screen record certain music to add to my videos just because I did not want to get a copy strike. So I am doing extremely well because I have not had any strikes against my YouTube account in regards to copyright-free music, okay? So, you know, I was looking at this creator's YouTube channel, and I feel like you all should follow her because she has a lot of great tips if you are starting your YouTube channel and you need to know what type of equipment to use, the lighting, all of that. And so I ran across her page as well in regards to Epidemic Sound. And I went and I checked it out. She had promotion code, and you get like the first 30 days or whatever, you know, free trial. And then after that, you pay $15 a month. So what you do is you go to Instagram and you click on the link, or either you go to your app store and you type in Epidemic Sound, and you'll download the app. You'll go ahead and log in with your email address and a password, and then you'll be sent an email to verify your email address. Once you get logged in and all of that, set up your account, and there is so much you can use. The website is very user friendly, so it's not hard to navigate, it's not hard to comprehend and figure out. You can download whatever songs you want, you can add it to your Instagram, your YouTube videos, however you want to use it, and it's all copyright free, all right? So what you do is you verify your email address, and then you can create playlists, music or different sounds to your favorites, and you can even link your Instagram, your YouTube, and your Facebook account, which I will show you guys right here. In the order of, I think it's Instagram. No, in the order of YouTube, Facebook, and then Instagram. But you can link them all right here, and they'll be synced to your actual accounts. And then I will leave their Instagram right here if you are still unsure what the name is that I'm saying because I talk fast. And then I will link it down below as well, so you can just click on the link and go directly to it. So I will be trying the trial first, which I'm already loving because I'm using some of the music in today's video. As you can see, I decided to go with this song. Christmassy because it is December and I just love the holiday spirit anyway, but I decided to go with this song, and I also created a playlist that says December. I'll show you guys my playlist right here, but I named it so I can, you know, be able to come back to it and be like, okay, so I use this in December, blah, 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 and just click on it, and then you download it, save it to your files, and then you upload it to your video. Now, I use iMovie, so all I do is hit the plus button and add the music or the file to my channel based off of iMovie. It's very simple. I'm going to do a video based off of how I do all of that, you know, in the future. So make sure you turn on those post notifications, so every time I upload a video, you will be notified. But Epidemic Sound gives you a free trial, and then after that you have to pay $15 a month. So like today is the 3rd of December. I have a free trial till January the 3rd. If I so choose to cancel my subscription, I can cancel at any time before being charged the $15. But I think I'm loving it for right now. I can't really say if I'm going to continue with you know, using it, but for right now I am, only because I want to make sure I don't have no strikes against my channel, and I'm actually trying to monetize my channel. And by having copyright-free music, that is one of the things that you have to do to get monetized. And so why would I not want to continue using Epic Sound? So this is pretty much a freebie for you all. Let me know what you think. Let me know what music you all are using for your videos in regards to your YouTube and your Instagram and your TikTok and all of that. But for right now, I'm telling you, the best bet for you to know and to be on the safe side is to just use and stick with Epidemic Sound. Once you go to their Instagram, they have like tutorials, they have like different reels and all of that you can check out in regards to if you are a content creator. And it's pretty dope. I really like it. And so I will come back 30 days later on the same exact video and let you know what I thought of, you know, this app and, you know, adding the music to my videos, and tell you pretty much give you all a review. But this is the end of this video. That was really all I had to come on here and tell you all, that I am currently using Epidemic Sound, and you should as well if you are looking for copyright-free music to add to your video. I hope you all decide to go ahead and sign up and do your free trial, and then go ahead and follow them on Instagram. I'm pretty sure they have a TikTok and a Facebook and all of that, but I'm just following them right now on Instagram. So go ahead and follow them and tell me what you think, because I will make sure I use them for at least the first 30 days. And then probably after that I will also. But this is pretty much it. If you are new to YouTube and you are trying to figure out what you need to do to start your channel, then having copyright-free music is one of them. So please do the right thing, okay? Until next time, this is Amelia Talks. Let's talk about it. Peace.